Hello everyone, this is Az Muhammad Khan and I again welcome you in our next segment. And what is it? It is respiration. So student, respiration is the important process that takes place inside our body. And it is most important life process because without it we can't survive. It is the important function that maintains the growth of a living organism. It also helps in the repair of the different parts. With this, it releases energy. So what is the respiration? Respiration is the process by which the food that is taken by the plant is oxidized into energy. And that energy is stored by the living organism in one form, and that form is known as ATP. ATP. So ATP is also known as the currency of the cell. Means the energy that is produced by the respiration, that energy is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now, according to the complex or unicellular organism, it is differ. There are two types of respiration is found in the living organisms. First is aerobic respiration and second is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. So with the help of this word aerobic, you can easily understand that the respiration in which the air is essential and that air should have oxygen. So the respiration in which oxygen is essential to obtain the energy is known as aerobic respiration. So it is the respiration that is found in complex living organisms, student, like plants and animals. With this, in this, the food that is taken by the plants or animals, that food is turned into pyruvate with the help of glycolysis. With the help of glycolysis. It is one important biochemical process in which the glycolysis is converted into pyruvate, student, pyruvate. Now this pyruvate is oxidized in the presence of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water and ATP. Means the ATP that is produced by the aerobic respiration, the quantity of that ATP is 38 ATP. So you should learn it. Now it is found in higher organisms. Higher organisms it is found, and with the help of it, all those higher organisms obtain maximum energy with the help of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that is also known as, yes, you tell me, currency of the cell. Now we come on the anaerobic respiration, student. This anaerobic respiration is generally found in the microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. For this, the process that is also known as fermentation. Means first, the glucose that is stored inside their body, that glucose is turned into pyruvate similar to aerobic respiration with the help of glycolysis. Now, in the absence of oxygen, yes, now you pay your attention. In the absence of oxygen, that pyruvate is turned into ethanol. About this ethanol, you will read in carbon compound chapter, student. So, that pyruvate is turned into ethanol, and with this carbon dioxide is released, and with this there are 2 ATP are released in this process, student. So it is the important process from which we can also prepare ethanol, and it is completely biochemical reaction, student, because in this reaction who are involved? Microorganisms are involved, student. In this the microorganisms are involved. Now we come on the next important anaerobic respiration, student, and it is also found inside the muscles of the living organisms like animals, like us. Many times when we do hard work or we do the exercise, at that time, after some time, what we feel? We feel tiredness, and we also feel pain in our muscles, because during the exercise our muscles need more energy. When the stored energy is utilized with the help of aerobic respiration, then after the aerobic, the stored energy in the form of lactose, here it is lactose, that lactose is turned into lactic acid. With this, there is energy is also released in the form of ATP, and due to the presence of lactic acid, we feel tiredness, muscular pain or muscular cramp, student. So this anaerobic respiration is also found in the animals muscles. Now this anaerobic respiration, in this anaerobic respiration, what should you learn? That it is found in lower organisms and the muscles, and aerobic respiration is found in the higher organisms. In this, there is the less amount of energy is released, but in this there is large amount of energy is released. So it is the most important question, and it is generally asked in the CBSE board exam. So after this we will study about the respiration in human being, student.